Can we defeat a whale player even if you're a low spender? Yes. We can achieve that after patch note 340. Watch as we take down a level 48 player using a level 45 gang fleet. Welcome back to the Meta Instincts channel. In this video, we will introduce two fantastic new features: Formation Setup and Gang Fleet. Formation Setup. The Formation Setup feature allows us to quickly switch between our preset lineups. To access the Formation Setup, click the button in the Fleet menu's top right corner. The first formation displayed will be your current setup, so it's a good idea to rename it for easy identification. Within this setup, we can modify the ships, parts, and heroes associated with the formation. You can create up to 5 formations, although the last one requires VIP level 12 to unlock. To create the second lineup for auto trading from scratch, start by equipping the flagship with a sail with a sailing speed bonus. A sailing speed bonus is particularly beneficial during auto trading, as it helps us generate profit more rapidly and increases our daily yield. It also allows for faster travel at sea, saving time. This sail was obtained from a previous season, and the sailing speed bonus is no longer available. If you still possess it, it's essential to keep it. We hope that the developers will introduce new sails with sailing speed bonuses. We can choose to leave the battleships empty for auto trading since they are not needed. If our flagship gets sunk during an auto trade, the absence of battleships means that no sailors will be lost in the battleships. However, this choice may negatively impact our straight clash ranking, as we may be easily defeated with just a single flagship. This formation is suitable if you aim to lower your rank in straight clash, tackle easier challenges. Otherwise, creating a third formation for a complete auto trading fleet would be wise. Meanwhile, we will create a fourth formation specifically for infamy clearance. This lineup will not include any heroes, battleships, or ship parts. Its purpose is to allow us to be killed quickly to reduce infamy, which is only necessary when our infamy exceeds 2,800. On day 4 of lock, we must plunder merchant ships for gold. This process can quickly increase our infamy, so we must lower it by getting killed by other players. If you want to learn more about this tactic to earn more gold, please comment gold. That summarizes our plan for the formation setup. If you have any better ideas, feel free to share them in the comments. If you're spending money on Sea of Conquest, gemz has the best deal in the market. As Bundle Up's sister company, gemz helps thousands of players save digital taxes and offers up to 15% discount on bundles. For example, UK players would pay over $127 for a 10,000 Gleamstones bundle. However, with gemz it's just $87.99, saving over 30% from digital tax and discount, and you save even more as you spend. Plus, first-time users will get a $10 credit for any bundle. Take advantage of flash deals and giveaways on their Discord server. Click the link in the description and start saving today with gemz. Gang Fleet. The Gang Fleet is a game changer in Sea of Conquest. Generally, 5 players come together to form a much more powerful Gang Fleet. The creator of the Gang Fleet has complete control over it, allowing them to sail, attack freely, and act as they would with a regular fleet. In this scene, we are the creator, managing the fleet according to our wishes. However, the other members of the Gang Fleet become speculators and lose control over their ships. As members of this Gang Fleet, we have no control and can only observe. We must first dock at a port to create or join a Gang Fleet. From there, we can access the Gang Fleet menu, create a fleet, and select a tag. After that, we can invite members to join our fleet. If we want to join an existing fleet, we can navigate to the Gang Fleet menu and join any available fleet. If our flagship is far from the creator, we must teleport to them with an Eye of the Sea. If your gang is in a battle while you're unavailable, you can simply log in to join a fleet and then quit the game. Let the fleet creator use your power to crush the enemies even when you're not present. However, there are limitations to the Gang Fleet. Some artifacts are restricted to use in the Gang Fleet. When the creator uses an artifact, all fleet members must also consume one. If one member doesn't have enough artifacts, the creator cannot use them. If opponents attack your gang with a Gang Fleet, countering them with Gang Fleets is crucial. Do not attack alone, as the chances of winning are slim. Do you enjoy the Gang Fleet feature? Please let us know in the comments. Alright, it is the end of today's sharing. Please like and share it with your gang. I'm Alan from Meta Instincts. See you soon.